Well, it's safe to say this is an easy one. If you own a quad or crew cab Ram 1500 and you want to add a little bit of flair to the side of your truck using some chrome, you've definitely found it. These chrome Bodyside moldings are made of automotive grade ABS and they are triple chrome plated, so they do match any chrome already existing on your truck. You can see a pretty clear example right here thanks to the Ram 1500 logo. These install very easily. I would go ahead and say this is probably the easiest install you could do on your truck, if you even want to call it that, thanks to the pre-applied 3M automotive tape on the rear side. So if you like the way these look, stick around. I'm going to show you guys how to get these lined up and installed. It shouldn't take you more than 10 to 15 minutes. So like I said, installing these is probably the easiest thing you can do to your truck. These have 3M automotive tape pre-applied to them, so really all you got to do is make sure that your doors are nice and clean, free of any debris, any dirt, so that the 3M can adhere appropriately. So go ahead and peel off the backing on each of the pieces of tape. And then you're going to line the piece up with the crease on the door right here, make sure everything's level, make sure it's spaced correctly, and then you're just going to press down to apply it. You're going to do the same thing for the rear once you have the front piece all pressed in place. All right, so once you have both sides applied to your truck, you want to let these sit for at least an hour or two before you go on a drive, and I would let these cure for at least 24 hours before running them through the wash. Other than that, that actually wraps up my review and really quick install of the chrome Bodyside moldings fitting your 09-18 quad and crew cab Ram 1500. I'm Travis, thanks for watching, and be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.